everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you insert GIFs into your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After you have logged into your account guys, you can go ahead and create a presentation. You'll be greeted by this main page right here. As you can see, I already have created a presentation right here. Here I have some slides with some text on them. So guys, let's say that I want to insert a GIF into one of my slides. How do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy and I'll be showing you right now how to do it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and find the GIF that you want to use. I have went over to this site. You can use any site that you want. I have found this GIF that I want to use and add to my Google Slides presentation. So guys, what you can do is go ahead and find the GIF, and then you want to copy the URL code of the GIF. So you're going to go ahead and right click the GIF, and then you're going to click this option right here called copy image address. So guys, go ahead and click copy image address, and after that guys, now you can go back to your presentation, and now we can go ahead and start adding the GIF. So guys, what you want to do is go right here in the upper left corner where this toolbar is and find this insert option right here. So guys, go ahead and click on insert, and now this will open up this new drop down menu where you have multiple options such as adding an image, text box, and so on. We want to put our mouse on this option right here called image guys, and on this image option now we want to select by URL. So guys, go ahead and click this option right here by URL, and now we are going to go ahead and paste the code that we have just copied a while ago. So go ahead and click on insert image guys, and now as you can see we have successfully added the GIF to our presentation, and now as you can see there is a GIF in one of our slides. We can resize it guys, we can put it wherever we want in the presentation, and yeah, now it will stay there whenever you want to present it. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.